Welcome back to my channel again. In this video I am going to show you how to turn on flashlight on your Android phone. So let's get started. First, unlock your phone, then simply swipe the top of the screen to open the notification panel, then swipe again to open the quick panel menu. Here you can try to find the flashlight icon. Once you found them, simply tap on it and automatically turn it on. However, if you don't find the flashlight icon there, don't panic. I can fix it. To do this, simply tap on the pencil button. After that, tap on the edit option, or you can scroll down, tap on add a control. Then here you can find the flashlight icon appear. Once you found them, simply long press it. After that, swipe the bottom to the top of the page. Here you can see the notification panel section. Simply set the position if you want to like. After you release it, then tap on done. Confirm by tap on done at the very top and automatically edit it. After that, to turn it on flashlight, simply swipe down again your notification panel. Once you found the flashlight icon there, once you found them, simply tap on it, and right now your flashlight automatically turn on. And that's it, how you can easily turn on flashlight on your phone. Thanks for watching.